Meet ServiceSafeAI, your intelligent IT support assistant that transforms how your business handles support tickets. ServiceSafeAI instantly turns any IT problem into clear, actionable solutions based on historical tickets. This demo is built with industry test data and synthetic data. Watch ServiceSafeAI create a smart response from one of our common example tickets. I'm going to choose Printer Not Responding. Here's the detailed example ticket that ServiceSafeAI is now processing. The assistant is able to categorize the issue with a main category and subcategory and provide a confidence score for its response. A structured, recommended solution is provided, which directly addresses the ticket issue based on historical ticket data. This can greatly speed up IT support times and ensure consistent, high-quality responses across your entire support team. Helpful additional details are provided. In this case, based on past similar issues, a key insight is to reinstall drivers and clear the print queue. Here is another example which I'm entering myself. ServiceSafeAI can be automated to run on various tickets and integrated as an AI agent into a number of ticket management systems. Through integrating your existing knowledge base, ticket resolution times can be greatly reduced. ServiceSafeAI can also be tailored to your specific needs. For example, to match internal procedures or to always provide a helpful reply regardless of whether similar issues have been logged. Are you ready to transform your IT support? If you'd like to demo ServiceSafeAI, please contact AI Factory Labs directly using the email on screen.